Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can set an event or a task in your Google Calendar to a private. So let us get started. So navigate to Google Calendar and make sure that you're logged in with the associated Google account and navigate to the given event here in your calendar view. Let me go with this one here. Click into it, select this pencil button, edit event, and after that, guys, simply set the default visibility or the visibility, to private from default or public to private, and that's basically it. After that, confirm by clicking into save, and now the event has been saved. You may undo this by clicking into this button, or simply change the accessibility of the event back to public using the same method I just showed you. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.